This here is the all-new Mi Box S by Xiaomi, one of the latest Android TV boxes on the market that streams at 4K, meaning you can go ahead and watch Netflix, HBO, Showtime at a click of a button. Now the concept of it is very simple. It converts a regular TV into a smart TV, allowing you to go ahead and watch all your shows that you ever wanted. Now this one here falls in the ideal class of a Chromecast Ultra. However, it is a little bit cheaper, making it a better deal. Not to mention it also comes with a remote that has a built-in microphone, allowing you to go ahead and use Google Assistants. So it does come with a lot of different smart technology in a small package. So without further ado, let's go ahead and rewind, unbox this thing, and see what it's all about. So this here is our box and kind of showcases the product on the front here. On the top here it does mention that it has Chromecast Ultra built into it, and it does shoot at 4K. It does have Google Assistants built into it as well. On the side here it talks about what's included, so you get the Mi Box S, a remote control, HDMI cable, and a power adapter. On the back here it talks about a little bit more in terms of the specifications. So it does have a quad-core CPU, so that's a Cortex A53. It has 2 GB of RAM as well as 8 GB onboard storage. So let's go and open this up a little bit more and see what's on the inside. So this is everything that it comes with. You get an instruction manual here, kind of explaining how to go and set it up. This here is our Mi Box S. Actually looks really, really nice. It's got a very nice thin appearance. On the back here, you do see all the different ports. You have an HDMI port, which comes with the cable. You have a USB port. You get a power cord, which is right over here. And then you have an audio port as well. So do note, it doesn't come with the Ethernet port, meaning you can't really directly plug it in. You do have to wirelessly stream the footage if you're going to use this. Now this here is our remote. Actually looks really nice. It actually has a nice sturdy feel to it as well. You do see there's a microphone button here, which allows you to go ahead and talk directly into it and use Google Assistants. And it does require 2 AAA batteries, which is also included. So it does come with everything that you need to go ahead and start it up, and literally it's just a plug and play package. So let's go ahead and set this thing up next and kind of see what this is all about. So this here is our Mi Box, and overall the menu itself is really, really nice. It's got a very nice layout. So you do see a nice preview with any kind of video that does showcase on here. Now you do have a variety of apps that are pre-installed from Vudu, YouTube, ESPN, Netflix. Do note that there's no Amazon listed. However, if you click on Netflix here, it literally uploaded instantaneously. So you just go ahead and sign in and you can start streaming. Now, in terms of the other perspective goes, for instance, if we click on YouTube here, we can go ahead and search up conflicts, just like this. We can go ahead and load up one of our videos and kind of give you a perspective on how fast this thing actually starts playing. So you can see that it actually, let's go and move it to the middle of this video here, and right there should be good. And you'll notice that literally it is instantaneously loading itself. So that is fantastic, and the quality of it is phenomenal. Now if I go back home, there's different buttons on here, so I can go ahead and pull up a side menu as well, so I can still watch what I'm watching on the side or upload something else at the same time. So I can open up Showtime, etc., and I can even download more apps at the same time, or I can just go ahead and click back and go to the main menu at the same time as well. So you do have a variety of different features, which is great. Now you do have the Google Home Assistant button here as well, so you can go ahead and talk to it and have that Google Home feature. And you have a Netflix button here as well, so if I click on the Netflix button, it'll automatically load Netflix. So it does come with a variety of different features, and in terms of Android TV boxes, this one here definitely takes the cake. Especially for the price, you can't really complain about what you're getting. And yeah, there you have it. This here is the Mi Box S. Now if you had any questions at all, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.